today on Zander's Fun House, we're gonna have this Gumball Machine from Family Dollar, and I want to try the gumballs, and my brother too.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, can you show us how it works first?
Okay, this is how you work.
I'm gonna get a close up.
There, I think we have a gumball. Nope. Not right. I know, let me do it. I know. Caspian. I know what to do. Oh yeah, see? We got a white gumball and a green gumball.
Okay,
I
give
already
one.
tried the white gumball, so he's a Caspian. So I'm gonna try the green gumball. Let's see what it's right. Yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Let me see what it tastes like. Good? I'm going to know. Good.
All right, let's see how this works. You don't have to put a coordinate in it like a regular gumball machine. It's free? Okay, so you twist it like a normal one. Oh yeah, now we can see it.
Do any of your films? Can you
twist
my
it.
films?
There it goes. Cool.
I want to have oh my god! What is this one? What is this? Again? I got some more. Oh.
All right, so what do we think about the gumball machine?
Good.
Good? And how much did it cost?
$1.
$1, huh? Okay. So, what do we need to say to our...
Now try my video.
What?
My video.
Your video?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Hey, Zander.
Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up for me, because I like it.
See you on the next video.
See you on the next video. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.